Welcome guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can perform the hard reset of your Amazon Echo speaker. Okay, so we got two methods. I'm going to show you both of them. The first one will be in the Amazon application. You have to go for the devices, get the Echo and Alexa, select your speaker, and next you have to simply go for the settings.
I didn't catch the other thing you said.
Next we have to just scroll down and then we can use this option. So click here and confirm. After that the device will be removed from your Amazon account, and also the device will perform the hard reset automatically. You don't have to do anything. There is also the second method how to make it. You have to use this button. There is the action button. You have to click and hold it until this LED light turns orange and you will hear from your speaker the notification. So let's make it right now. Click and hold the action button and just take a look on the LED.
Now in setup mode. Follow the instructions in your Alexa app.
We have to click and hold.
Resetting your device. This will take about a minute. I'll let you know when it's done.
Okay, right now we can release the button, and as you can hear, the device is going to reset right now. So what you have to do, just wait. It will take around 1 minute. After that you will be able to set up your device for another time. And that's all for this video. If you find it helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.